Hey, this is James with JMC Custom Knives. We're out here in the woods. We're going to see if we can't start a fire kind of old-fashioned way. I've got here what I like to call my Longhunter Bushcraft Bowie. This knife is made from a pre-1907 G&H Barnett black diamond mill file. The pommel is the file's original stamp tang. Let's see if we can get some wood chopped up and start a fire with it. Here's the flint and steel kit. Well, the sun is set here in West Alabama, and got a nice little fire going. Listening to the crickets chirp and the frogs. And I thought I'd talk about that knife for a minute. I love old file knives, and that one is made from a pre-1907 G&H Barnett. That company started in 1863 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It produced files through the 1800s, and Nicholson bought the company out in 1907 or thereabouts, and changed the name to the Black Diamond we all know and love today. Those old files carry a lot of history, and so many of them were just destroyed and scrapped because the owners didn't appreciate the history they carried. So it's an honor to be able to take one and give it new life as a tool that it was meant to be. The guard on that knife is wrought iron, and it come from a home site in Hill County, Alabama, that produced wagon wheels in the 1830s. And as far as I can tell, that place was abandoned in the 1840s, or at least right before the Civil War. The handle on that knife is elk antler, with the pommel being the file's stamped tang, so that whoever ends up with this knife one day and passes it down, it will always carry the legacy of the G&H Barnett Black Diamond mill file. That sheath carries a hand-forged fire steel that was made from an old Simmons mill file, and it's got a little pouch for your flint. It also carries a little knife made from like a 6-inch mill file. We'll have this knife at Blade Show coming up in June. I hope you guys can, if you can make Blade Show, come by and say hi. It's always an honor to be able to talk to knife guys and share stories and swap tales and that kind of stuff.